And listen to the one.
With my PB. I don't have a scale with me, I can't weigh him, but here we go, guys.
5, that's at least 5.
Look at this hog.
At least 5.
Look at that. I caught him right at my spinner, so we're letting him go now.
Dude, holy.
Yeah, I have no clue how stoked I was. I started freaking out. I started calling Gunner over. It took me a long time to get him in, but dang, that was so awesome. That's my biggest bass I've ever caught my whole life. I am just shocked. Like, I can't believe I did that. So, my heart is just pumping right now.